Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. I've got some seriously exciting LEGO Star Wars news. Now let's jump right in. First up is the Millenium Falcon, set number 75375. It's coming in at about $84, and trust me, this Falcon is a beast with 921 pieces. The 25-year branding gives it a touch of class right from the get-go, and the level of detail is absolutely insane. And of course, when you peek inside, you can see microfigures from The Empire Strikes Back. The stand, which is removable with the 25th anniversary brick, is a cool touch that sets this set apart. Onto the Tantive IV, set number 75376, priced at $79 and boasting 654 pieces. This set does justice to the iconic spaceship that the 25-year branding continues the elegant theme. Although the images might be a little bit blurred, you can see the detailed cannons and turrets that are sure to impress, and the lifestyle shots hint at the interior feature microfigures of the classic trio Leia, R2-D2 and C-3PO. And yes, it comes with a stand following the Falcon's design, complete with the 25th anniversary brick and display plaque. And finally, onto the Invisible Hand, set number 75377, priced at $52. This set with 557 pieces steals the spotlight with its unique design, distinct pattern and transparent blue pieces. The Separatist logo makes an absolute standout, and there's a cool play feature. You can detach it for some added fun. Just remember, you're still flying half a ship. It of course features 25th anniversary branding and a stand with a removable brick and display plaque. While these sets are visually stunning, celebrating the 25th anniversary of Star Wars in LEGO style, I love that they threw in the microfigures for some cool play features. I honestly feel like the only thing that is that's missing from these MIDI series to make them even better would be a single minifig related to each ship. Nevertheless, these sets are shaping up to be must-haves for any LEGO Star Wars collectors. I am beyond excited about these sets and definitely planning to snag a few of them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more LEGO Star Wars updates, and thanks a ton for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Bye.